How you doing, my foodie friends? Who doesn't like naan khatais? Naan khatai is India's most celebrated cookie we have of Indian origin. So why not make some at home with very few ingredients we get at home easily? So let's get started with grinding our 100 gram sugar with cardamom pods. You can also use cardamom powder, but it is more feasible, I found. Grind your sugar with cardamom pods into very fine powder. Now take a mixing bowl, put clarified butter or ghee into that. Here I am cleaning my bowl very well because in baking or baked products every ingredient is measured, so it is very important to take entire batch. Okay, now put powdered sugar into your ghee. Now with the help of wooden spoon cream it. This is called creaming method, which you also can do with using your palm, but using spoon is more feasible and easy. You need to cream it until it gets light and fluffy. Don't over cream it or your naan khatais will get sunk. So be careful while creaming it. Cream it well for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Making any kind of biscuit is easy. You only need to be very precise with the ingredients you measure. So you better buy any weighing scale which is easily available in market at very cheap prices. So that is better. Baking is easy. You only need to be very precise with measuring the ingredients and follow the proper method. Now here I am putting 100 grams refined flour and almost 25 grams besan or gram flour. And 4 grams or 1 teaspoon baking soda. I am putting baking soda, not baking powder. Now with the help of rubber spatula, clean your spoon because we don't want to waste our mixture. So clean it well. Now with the help of your rubber spatula, mix all the ingredients together very well. This method is called cut and fold. Cut and fold it gently. Some bakers they also put curd or dahi into the recipe, but believe me, you do not need curd or dahi to make naan khatai. Naan khatai is very simple and easy recipe which can be made with very few ingredients, almost 3 to 4 ingredients, which are always available in the cupboards at our home if you find. Now clean your rubber spatula using hands. Now time to work with the dough using our hands. Collect all the dough together very well. Remember, do not knead it too much or tight because it will get tough and your cookies will turn out very tight and tough, or what say hard, and no one likes rock solid cookies, right? Now you can see after correcting the dough, how does it look? See, it is easily breakable. You can see your naan khatai dough must be like this. Remember, not only in naan khatai, but whenever you make any kind of biscuits, your dough must be like this, easily breakable. Then only your cookies will turn out short. Now portion out your naan khatai, your cookies equally. Here I have taken 15 grams each. You can take 20 or 12, whatever you like. Now roll your cookies by using your palm. You need to make small peda. See, peda like this. Keep your peda round, don't press it. Now arrange your pedas on butter paper lined baking tray. You can put almond or pistachio on top of your naan khatai. I am not putting because I want them to be those old school naan khatai which I used to eat when I was a kid. Now bake your naan khatai at 180 degrees Celsius for almost 15 minutes. Your naan khatais are ready. Now you can see bottom of your naan khatai is quite brown, but the surface of naan khatai is white. Now you can have these cookies as it is, which literally will melt in your mouth. You can have it with your evening or morning chai, or you can share it with your loved ones. So why not make some for yourself? It can be stored in an airtight container and can last almost 3 to 4 months. So why not make for yourself now? If you really like my video, do like, comment, share, and please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.